Hey everyone, this is Lisa from TRW, and in this video I'm going to help you troubleshoot an issue that I was having with some of my fonts. So I downloaded the new TRW Stadium font and I was really excited to use it, and I was going to do a tutorial for you guys to show you how to knock out letters from the tail. So I went over and I started searching for the font, and I went over here to my font manager over here on the right side of Silhouette Studio, and I started typing TRW Stadium. Nothing shows up. That's super annoying, right? I can't find the font. So I thought, hey, maybe I didn't install my font. But no, I went to install it and it was already there. So then I checked on Wordmark, wordmark.it, and I went down and I scrolled all the way down to my TRW fonts. And let me go a little faster for you. So I went over to my TRW fonts and here it is, TRW Stadium font. And I thought, okay, maybe it's in my font manager. So I looked over here and I'll search and I got TRW Stadium font in here. All of my fonts were showing up in all my different programs except for Silhouette Studio. And that's really frustrating. So I went out and we reached out to our friends at Silhouette, and so I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot the issue of your font not showing up in Silhouette Studio. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go over and we are going to do the Windows and R key. So I have my keystrokes turned on for you so you can see the key strokes that I make. So we're going to do Windows and then R at the same time. And this run shows up right here. And let me do it real quick to make sure I'm in this Silhouette window. So Windows R, so left Windows R, and you can see run. So this shows up right here. So now I'm going to type in this location, I'm going to do the %. I'm going to do local app data and then % again. So I'll let that fade out so you can see that for a second. So local app data, and then let's press OK. So now this has my local app data. So we're going to go over and we are going to go to the Microsoft folder. So let's go ahead, open that up. And now we're going to go over to the Windows folder. So just Windows. And then we're going to go over to the Fonts folder. And then we are going to right click on this font. So check it out. There's only one font in there and it's Stadium font. That didn't work. We're going to right click. We're going to go over Install for all users. So now it is installing. And so now, whenever we install a font in Silhouette Studio, we just need to close the program and reopen it one more time so that it pulls the font when it's loading. So I went over, we're going to load Silhouette Studio, and then I'm going to show you my Stadium font inside Silhouette Studio. All right, so I've installed the font for all users, and now we're going to go over to my Silhouette Studio. Let's go ahead and just type out Mustangs. So MUSTANGS. I'm going to highlight all of this so I can change my font. Then we're going to go over to my font over here on the right. And then I'm just going to type it in TRW Stadium font. And there it is. There's my font. So what's happening is basically it's just like a Windows issue with a recent update. Sometimes it doesn't install the font everywhere. So if you follow those steps on how to fix it, you'll be able to install it and view it in your Silhouette Studio. So hopefully this answered any questions you may have. If you're someone like me who didn't have that font in there, it wasn't an issue with you. It was just a simple issue with Microsoft with Windows, and we were able to fix it really quickly. So if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any more trainings or tutorials or other videos that we may put out. And leave a comment below. Let me know, did you have this problem and did this solution help you?